piece of furniture. I'm actually really excited about it. It kind of looks nice right here, but this isn't where we're keeping it. I just wanted to put it on a blank wall for you guys to see it. So I think I'm gonna tell you guys what I think I'm gonna do to it, and then we'll kind of just get into it and see what happens. So it has these really nice handles, and at first I had kind of assumed I would just like spray paint them black or something, but looking at them now, I really love the finish it has. It looks so antique-ish, and I don't know, I just really like it, so I don't want to take away this like beautiful coloring that it has. So we're gonna leave those. My first option that I'm thinking is to either just clean up the piece, maybe sand it a little bit, and then do a whitewash. So I could either make whitewash out of paint and water, or I could get like a whitewash stain and then just stain it over it. Or my second option is to paint this piece like a pretty light creamy blue, and then make whitewash again, either with a stain or hi Lily, or with paint and water, and then kind of whitewash over the blue. That way, instead of this brown peeking through, the blue peeks through, which I think would be really pretty, especially for the room that's going in. But I can't really decide yet, so I think I just need to start cleaning it, and then I can figure out exactly what I want to do. The drawers are pretty nice. There's like these, I'll just take these inserts out, but it's a really cute piece. I also had originally, a while back, I was gonna put like wallpaper behind here just for like a pop of like a cute pattern or whatever, but I don't think I'm gonna do that anymore for this room that's going in now. But I don't know, we'll see. So first I'm just taking some sandpaper and I'm just making sure that all of the original finish is off. It doesn't need to be anything crazy, but you just want to rough up your piece of furniture. That way the paint goes on a lot smoother and it sticks. We've been going to Habitat for Humanity lately, and they have so many great pieces of furniture. So if you're not lucky enough to find this for free like I did, I don't think I mentioned that, but we got this for free. But if you can't find anything for free, definitely go to Habitat because they have so many great pieces that you could remodel. We're currently looking for some sort of piece of furniture to make into a coffee bar, so I'll definitely make a video of that if we do it. But basically, I just mixed together some white and blue paint to get this pretty color. And I decided to paint that all over the piece of furniture. So I just did 2 coats of this to start. So you guys are going to see this crazy color change. It went from looking almost white, and then when it dried so dark. I'm not really sure why. I know paint dries darker, but this was like a major change. So I wasn't a huge fan of that. So I took equal parts of water and white paint, and I dipped my paintbrush in it very lightly, and then I rubbed it off. And then I took the paintbrush and painted that onto the piece of furniture, and it helped to give it a kind of like a worn out effect. And I really like how it looks. It looks almost like a whitewash and just kind of rustic. I don't know, but I really like how it turned out. So I decided to do that to the whole piece of furniture, and I'm really glad I did it because it just gave it a nice effect. So once I was done with that, I just put the handles back on, and I love that I didn't paint the handles. I think if I had painted them black, they probably would have looked nice, but this just helps to give it more of an antique feel. So next I decided to decorate it. I don't think I'm leaving these decorations that are on it right now. I recently went to Michael's and the Christmas tree shop, and they had a lot of cute spring decor, so I'm sure when spring comes around I'll use some of that stuff and put it on here, but I just wanted to use what I had for now. So I just placed some things that were very sentimental and put it on there. And then this book you guys saw me make in my, I don't know if it was my last video, but the video before where I surprised Connor with a room makeover. So if you want to learn how to make that, go check that video out. But this is the final piece of furniture. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want more furniture flips, let me know and I'll definitely do it, but I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!